in Pretech booth again in Global South Fiere in Hong Kong, and we have our own brand Yottafun, focus on all kind of stylus pens. We focus on MPP surface pen, and some of the models you already covered by the last time. And now we want to introduce something new and explain something special. So first, we want to start with this MPP 2.0 pen. It supports tilt and a very high pressure level. It's 4096. But please be careful when you choose this model. You need to check if your device is compatible with MPP 2.0 or not. Otherwise, you won't get the full features like a tilt or the higher pressure sensor level. So here you can see some of the main features. See, we have some feedback on Amazon. Their customers not happy with this pen. It's not because it's not working properly. It's because their device doesn't support it. So it's no difference with the MPP 1.51 pen. And this year we have something new. It's MPP 1.5, but we make it rechargeable. So you can see the pen cap is connected by magnet, and here is by a micro USB. It's a rechargeable battery. For one full charge, you can continually use this pen for like 2 or 3 months with no need to charge again. So here you can see the main features. Okay. So this rechargeable MPP pen with a pressure level 1024 is very easy to use. You can see. And here, there's 2 buttons. This one is just like an eraser, and here is just like a double click. Or right click of the mouse, that's all. So you can see this is the iPad pen. It has a palm rejection function. You can just write on the iPad like you write on the paper. It's some very good user experience. I know there's on the market, there's different pens working for iPad, but this one, the user experience is quite closer to the original pen. And also it's rechargeable battery by a micro USB. You can continuously writing for 8 hours. Because for iPad pen, the power consumption is higher than those MPP pen.